Let's begin with Doodly 101, your Doodly beginner walkthrough. This video tutorial was created with version 2.5.6, but the walkthrough will help you learn any Doodly version. Hi, I'm Wayne, the creator of this free video content. Nice to meet you. In just a bit, I'm going to show you content that's designed to show you 1 minute and 30 seconds of different video design techniques, try to make you laugh, all the while telling you how you can support this channel free of charge. If you're someone that feels the thousands of hours I've spent creating free content for you is not worth the 1 minute and 30 seconds of your time, simply use the chapters feature I've taken the time to create in this video and skip over it. Just move your mouse over the video timeline and click on the next chapter. For those of you that do appreciate the time I've taken, here it is, and thanks for watching. This free video tutorial took billions of light years to create. YouTube judges a channel by subscribers, likes, shares, and video hours watched. We only ask, for all our hard work, please use those buttons and let this video run until the end. Thank you. Easily support this channel free of charge. Here are some methods. Click that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. This video is monetized. Let the video run all the way to the end. The ad revenue, as little as it is, helps support this channel. Join our Facebook group. You'll find a link in the description. You'll receive group status with me and other experienced doodlers and video designers ready to help. Share these videos with other people you know and even people you don't, whether it's in the official Doodly Facebook group or somewhere else. The more people that watch and comment, the more videos I'll create. Join Production Crate through the link in our description. They have a free account and some of the best video designing effects I've found on the internet, along with tutorials, so you know how to use them and can create effects like what you'll see throughout this video series. YouTubers! Reference back to our video in your video or video description. We would be appreciative of a link back to our channel or a plug in your video showing us our hard work paid off. Let us know about it so we can return the kindness. Contact us if you want to get a little more creative and learn how to pass traffic amongst channels. In Chapter 5, Video Settings, we will learn about canvas styles, drawing hand settings, drawing hand styles, video title editing, scene transition, erase mode, resolution options, and the Rainbow Addon. There are a lot more hands that have become available during the production of this walkthrough. In the video settings, marked as settings located in the lower left corner above the timelines, we can change all the features on how this doodle is created. These are the same settings we see when creating the doodle, but it does appear a little different. We can see the different types of revealing hands with the whiteboard, dark chalkboard, green chalkboard, glassboard, and even custom. This window has changed since this video was recorded, and I'll bring that up for you now. You can see the different changes that have happened here, and we'll go over it in depth at the end of the 9 chapters of this Doodly walkthrough. There are multiple types of canvas styles available in Doodly. Each canvas style comes with its own types of hands available to reveal your material. The power of Doodly is in the revealing method of the video production. Mastering the different types of reveal methods will allow you to make professional appearing doodles. There have been 50 different revealing hands added to each canvas style. Icons have now replaced the drop-down menu for the default in scene transition. The scene transition can now be defaulted to off. Below everything, we have the Enable Autosave functionality. This is a good thing to enable, but it can be quite annoying because it stops every minute and lags your video to save it to the cloud, slowing down your development. We can change the hand styles from right to left, and you can see in the preview how this will appear. We have the cartoon hand for different canvas styles, but as you can see, these mainly stay the same except when you're using the whiteboard and custom. There is an additional hand available for these two styles. This still holds true with the update of more hand styles than what you see here in this recording. We will look over the new video settings, appearance, and updates in the update section after the walkthrough. Changing the medium that happens from marker to chalk is a nice feature to allow effects to be created and provide more realism to the doodle. We can do that for the right or left hand. Subtitles are allowed. Closed captions are not something that's offered by Doodly at this time. Subtitles are not closed captions. Subtitles are generally for people that do not speak the language. Closed captions are for people with disabilities and include sound effects when others cannot hear them. At the time of making this video, the ADA rules on closed captioning are mainly geared towards municipal and state offices and facilities, museums, libraries, schools, colleges and universities, theaters and cinemas, convention centers and arenas, train stations and airports, hotels, parks, hospitals and clinics, pharmacies, restaurants, retail stores and malls, and daycare facilities, but can potentially affect online services and products that are made publicly available. Section 508 and 504 of the Rehabilitation Act, which has a specific requirement for closed captions and video content, applies to U.S. federal offices and their digital or physical services and communications, organizations that receive federal funding, universities or colleges that receive federal grants. This means if you're in the United States and do not fall under those rules, then you're probably not required to include closed captions in your video productions. The title can be changed on this screen as well. Video ends when allows you to tell Doodly that the video will stop after the animation timeline has reached the last frame or after the audio and video timelines have reached their last frame, whichever comes last. Swipe transitions allow you to tell Doodly which direction to transition from one scene to the next. These are important, and we have a dedicated video on just scene transitions and exit animations and how to optimize them for your doodle. Quickly, we have swipe left, right, up, down, mixed, and camera panning. Watch our scene transitions video tutorial for more detailed and important information on this subject. Erase mode provides us with smart mode, with finger, with eraser, or none. Smart mode will tell Doodly to choose how to erase an asset when another asset is placed on top of it. Finger will tell Doodly to just use the finger to erase it. Eraser will always use the eraser. And none tells Doodly to not erase the underlying asset when placing one asset on top of the other. Resolution allows you to change the size in which your doodles will be rendered. Doodly Rainbow works a little weird and not how one would expect it to work. When disabling it here, it will turn all your current provided Doodly assets to black and white outlines regardless of the canvas style selected, but it will not disable the rainbow in the characters library. That must also be disabled manually. When disabling the rainbow in the video, there is a warning that appears that says, "Turning off rainbow will make all images in the video black and white instead of color. Would you like to proceed?" It's got a cancel, an OK button, and a gray X in the upper right hand corner. In version 2.6.3 and below of Doodly, turning off the rainbow will not turn your imported images into black and white, nor will it automatically disable the rainbow in the character library. As we see here, dragging another character asset onto the canvas drops it onto the canvas with color even though the Doodly rainbow is off. We can either go into the asset setting and disable rainbow from there, turn off rainbow settings in the object area or the library and then drag the same asset without color on top of the colored asset, and then we can choose replace it, or we can delete the asset completely and drag a new one back onto the canvas. At this point, you should have an excellent feeling for everything within the video settings and be very comfortable with changing these settings. Hey, that's it for this video, but not for the rest of the information on this channel. Here are some more videos to help you keep learning. Click that subscribe button and tap that notification bell for more Doodly tips and tricks. Let's make a deal. You keep watching the videos and I'll keep creating the content.